What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we finally got our new motor. Look at this. Reed valve 440. From what I know, it's out of a 99 Polaris XCF. Didn't take it out. Just did some Googles. And I also would like to share something with you. This is very important. I just like to tell you that none of my videos are advice. Anything I do is to be taken completely not seriously. Just to be safe. Don't do anything I do unless you're really super desperate. In that case, you didn't learn from me. And for that reason, I will not be showing you how I mounted the skid plate, and I did it not skid plate, the mounting plate, and I did it off camera. Because that could genuinely be dangerous if someone were to imitate my work. So anyways, let's get into my shoulder, trying to get this motor in. Okay. Yeah. You can't see me suffering right now, but I'm definitely about to start. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, crap. Yeah. Come on, heavy. Oh. Come on. It's in there. We got these little rubber suckers gotta line up. Okay, one more. There. Got the motor in. Thing's heavy, but it looks good. Made a YouTube short of just a mock-up I did earlier. Now I'm gonna grab the nut and bolts and just throw this thing in, or just throw the bolts in. And just get it bolted. I had everything installed. It's been a couple days. It's pretty sick the last two. Got the gas lines in, choke hooked up, throttle hooked up, oil hooked up. Got a little oil in the tank, but I didn't want to put a lot in just in case it doesn't run. Gas in the tank. I don't have an exhaust right now. That's off at my uncle's. Well, technically he's my great uncle. He owns a shop in town. They do welding, and had a crack in the pressure chamber. So sent it off with him. He said he'd weld it up for me. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna deafen myself if I try to start it tonight, but hey, why not? Make the neighbors hate me a little more. Well, may as well send it. I'm gonna put some dusty old gun muffs here on. My hands are surprisingly clean for considering what I've been doing. I'll stop stalling. I just gotta go deaf. Sorry guys, it's gonna be my last time being able to hear. Oh, I don't want to melt anything. Well, may as well send it. I'm just gonna let it, as soon as it fires, I'm gonna hit the kill switch. Hope the kill switch works. You know, actually, I'm gonna test that quick. It does in fact have spark. and then it doesn't when I shut the kill switch off, so it's a good thing. Now then, I'm gonna run myself a def, set you guys right over here so you can hear it. I have the hood closed so I can see if the dash lights come on, and to hopefully make it a little quieter. Like I said earlier, I'm just gonna, as soon as it fires, I'm just gonna hit the kill switch, kill it. Anyways, let's see if my ears survive. Oh god. Oh, this is gonna be so loud. Oh, shit. Give me a second, I'm gonna put those earmuffs on. Well, it runs. I'm exhausted. I think I'm gonna upload this video, pick you up in a part 2. Or part 4, I guess. Boy, I'm exhausted. That thing pulls hard. But it runs. Sick. Anyways, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll have a part 3 out whenever I can get one out. Give you a couple YouTube shorts if I get time on the sled, just as updates. If you want to see those, subscribe. Otherwise you probably won't. Boy, that stinks. Take care for the next video, guys. Bye.